This is our new product for 2023. They're universal dock handrails. The one in front of me is 304 stainless steel, 304 stainless brackets. The bracket kit allows you to mount across two rails here, a single right on the top of the dock, or on our other display over here, across a single rail with the same bracket kit. This railing system is aluminized coated steel with zinc coated brackets. For install, you're able to change your angles, so if you have a T or a 45 in your dock, the two-hole location allows you to change angles on your dock. And then for install or removal in the spring or fall, the tubes lift right in and out of the bracket. When the bracketry is getting mounted together, it's fully adjustable for different offsets and different heights on your railings.